Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix lagging in Davinci Resolve. So we will focus on reducing the processing load during editing by using proxies, lowering playback resolution, optimizing your GPU settings. Your GPU settings, I show you in the previous video how you can uh, fix GPU initializing failed. Now proxies are low-resolution version of your footage that are much easier for your computer to play in real time. So in the media pool, select your clip, right-click and choose Generate Proxy Media. So in this pop-up menu, you need to find Generate Generate Proxy Media. Sorry, I wasn't in the media pool. Now I am. So right click and then generate proxy media. Just like that. Proxy media generation. Click OK. Just like that. Now let's go to the proxy menu up at the top right here. Playback. Click on it and then select proxy handling and choose prefer proxies. And yeah, now adjust playback and timeline settings. So with that, reducing the visual quality of the view only after your editing experience and will not lower the quality of your final export. So we go here to the playback menu, select it, and then find in this drop-down menu timeline playback uh, resolution and select half or quarter. So you will select that timeline playback resolution. Now in project settings, make sure that your timeline frame rate matches your playback frame rate. If it's a mismatch, is a major cause of stuttering. So now you will find these project settings here at the bottom right corner. This gear icon. Click on it, and then ensure that timeline frame is matches with your playback frame rate. Now also in the project settings, if you go here to the master settings and here this timeline resolution, for example this one 16 by 9, you can switch it back to 4K right before you export. And with that, you will have 4K resolution. Now, this pre-render heavy effect, which we will also do, like color grades or fusion titles, so they play smoothly from your drive. So go to the playback, render catch, and select to smart. So when you render your timeline, you will see the red line. That means it's still rendering. Once it turns blue, it will play back at full speed. And that's basically it, how you can fix lagging in Davinci Resolve. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next